Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language for the Siri voice assistant on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the Siri option. And once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll down and find the language option. Then select it. It will open the list of languages. You can scroll through it, find the language you would like to use on your Siri. And once you find it, tap on it to select it. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And now the language should be changed. So, hey Siri, tell me a joke. Didn't work out. Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
Ich bin mir nicht sicher, ob ich das
Okay,
richtig
as you can see, the language changed. Okay, we can close it. And that's how you change the language on this watch, or rather change the Siri language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.